हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? आई होप यू आर रियली डूइंग वेल। सब लोग आपको अच्छे से सता रहे हैं, माँ बाप, टीचर्स, फ्रेंड्स, हाँ, गेटिंग अच्छे से भूलने जा रहे हो ना, अच्छे से सबके बीच में। पेरेंट्स वांट्स यू 90%, 100%, हाँ, लेकिन आपको सीखना है कि हाउ टू मैनेज बिटवीन द पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स, फ्रेंड्स। हाँ, सबको खुश नहीं कर सकते, नॉट पॉसिबल। थोड़ा सा फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, some students will make everybody happy, exceptional, but the average students very difficult to satisfy your parents, your teachers, everyone. Have a balance, perform 80 to 85%, meet 80 to 85% or 75% of the expectations of your parents and teachers. All right, fine. In the examination, near the examination, we can give our best and do really well. करेंगे 5.3 we were doing prime factorization concept we have learned. In that, next question, 5.3, exercise 5.3. I'll take question number 7, 8, 9 and 10. Question number 7 says the number of students of a class 8 of a school donated 2,401 rupees in all, then in total, for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Find the number of students in the class. For example, if we have in a class 35 students, each student donated 35 rupees. If we have 40 students in the class, each student donated 40 rupees. Correct? The number of students and the amount of donation are equal. Okay, let me read the question once again. The students of class 8 of a school donated rupees 2,401 in all, in total, sum of their donation for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. कितने अच्छे बच्चे हैं ना, तुम लोग भी करोगे. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Find the number of students in the class. Okay. According to the statement, we'll write question number 7. I'll take in detail. Let number of students be x is equal to x. Then according to the statement, the amount donated by each student is also x. Same na, number of students and amount. And then according to statement, amount donated by each student is also x. Amount donated by each student is also x. Total amount is equal to number of students into amount of each student. Amount donated by each student. Total amount is 2401. Is it correct? Yes, 2401. Number of students x. Amount of each student is also x. X into x, x square. All right. So we have to find x. Ultimately, we have to find x. X पता चल जाएगा, everything will get. So x square is equal to 2401. X we have to find. Let us do the prime factorization of 2401. Prime factorization of 2401 we have to do to find the x. Let us find. Chalo bachcho. 2401. Can we divide by 2? No sir, impossible. It is an odd number. We cannot divide by 2. अच्छा ठीक. Can we divide by 3? पता नहीं सर. अरे पता नहीं तो पता करो नालायको. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3 से भी नहीं होगा, 4 से हम करेंगे नहीं, 5 से होगा नहीं, 6 से हम नहीं करेंगे, 7 से करके देखेंगे हो सकता है क्या, 7 से एक साइड में कर लेंगे ना, साइड में कहीं कहीं साइड में करके देखेंगे 7 से होता है क्या, 7 से होता है क्या। 2 4 0 1 7 3 जा 21 3 0 7 4 जा 28, 2 बचेगा 1 आएगा, 7 3 जा, हाँ 7 से हो रहा है, 7 से कर देंगे, 7 से कर देंगे तो कितना आएगा 343 आएगा, 343 आ जाएगा, 343 आ जाएगा। अब उसको करो, किससे करेंगे उसको किससे करेंगे, उसको भी 7 से करके देखिए, 7 से कर दो 7 7 34 है ना, 34, 7 5 जा 35, 7 5 जा 35, 35 तक हमको जाना नहीं है, विल स्टॉप एट 28, 7 4 जा 28, 7 4 जा 28, 34 minus 28 6 will get forwarded to the other number, 63, 7 9 जा 63, 49 आ गया, 49 हमारे दिल का बहुत बहुत प्यारा सा छोटा सा प्रिय स्क्वायर नंबर 7 स्क्वायर, 7 7 जा 49, 7 1 जा 7, ठीक है। अच्छा, so this means it means that it is the 40, इसका factors of this 2401 is equal to 7 square into 7 square, 7 square into 7 square. All right, so we will write x square is equal to 2401 is nothing but 7 square into 7 square. Apply the square root on both the sides, square root of x square is equal to square root of 7 square into 7 square, square root of x square, x will come out, square root of 7 square, 7 will come out, one more 7 square into is there, 7 will come out, 7 7 is 49, x is 49. So x is our number of students and amount donated by each student, x is both we have found in this way. Let's move on to the next question, question number 20, number 8, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पढ़ते हैं हम, आइए चलते पढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। समझ में आ रहा है, प्रैक्टिस करो, पेन चलाओ, हाथ चलाओ, दिमाग चलाओ। 2025 स्क्वायर ऑफ 45 है ना, वो टेबल याद कर लो, स्क्वायर नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 21 एंड 25 30 अप टू 50, वो याद कर लो, इजी हो जाएगा, सब कुछ इजी हो जाएगा भाई। हाँ कर लो भाई, चलो मेरे बच्चों, प्यारे बच्चों, 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. 2025, each row contains, this is the row, each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. For example, in this row we have 4 plants, then number of rows are also 4. Got it? Okay. एक रो में 4 प्लांट्स हैं, then number of rows are also 4. Each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. रोज के अंदर उतने ही प्लांट्स हैं जितने के रोज हैं. I mean, for example, if we have say 100 plants, in this row we have 100 plants, so therefore we have 100 rows also. 100 plants in one row, 100 rows. 25 plants in the one row, 25 rows. Okay, रोज, अरे रोज नहीं, गुलाब नहीं, रोज, ROW, रो, line, suf and line. All right, horizontal line, rows, column vertical, horizontal rows, okay. 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and number of plants in each row. हो जाइए तैयार, होशियार, खबरदार. In detail, if I had to take this question, I would say Question number 8. Let number of rows is equal to x. Then according to the statement, number of plants in a row is also x. Number of rows is x. Number of rows is, we have x rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, x rows. I will show you. X. This is 0. This is 0. Again a row. Row na mat. X rows we have. X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. X rows we have. Number of plants in each row is x. Okay. Then total number of plants is equal to number of rows into number of plants in each row. Correct? Just like rectangle. Yeah, square. Eventually it is a square, है ना? Eventually square ही रहेगा, है ना? Square बन जाएगा ऐसे. So number of, suppose 25 है, 25. We have 25 plants in one row, and we have 25 rows. 25 rows. Like this, I say. We have 25 rows. 25 into 25, na? It's a square. Okay. Area of the square. Number of plants. 25 into 25. Same thing. Number of plants in each row is equal to x into x. Correct? X is to x square. Number of plants is how much? Total 2401, is it? No, 2025. Sorry. 2025. 2025 is equal to x square. ठीक है, और x square is equal to 25. इसका स्क्वायर रूट हमको पता ही है ना, we know it. फिर भी करते हैं, चलो फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए. So prime factorization of 2025 is we divide by 5. 5 4s are 20. Nothing carry. 2 we have here. I will take you in detail here. Okay. Concept समझो. 5 can we divide 2? No, we cannot divide 2. We have to consider the next digit 20. 5 4s are 20. Nothing carried. 5 4s are 20. Nothing carried. 2. Can we divide 2? No, we cannot divide 2. We have to consider the next digit. No, now if we have to consider the next digit, you have to write a 0 here. आपको यहाँ पे एक 0 लिखना है, then only you can move on. Why sir? ऐसे ही है बेटा. In the initial, जब when you are going to start, you can consider 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digits, any number of digits. But in between the calculation, if you cannot divide a number, it's smaller than the divisor, then you can consider the second one by putting a 0 here. You have to put a 0 here. Then consider the 2 digits together. 5 5s are 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 3 2s are 3 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Okay, the prime factors are 20 25 is 5 square, 3 square and 3 square. 5 square, 3 square, 3 square. Perfect. So if we apply the square roots, so directly we take this equation here. X square is equal to 20 25 is equal to x square is equal to 5 square, 3 square, 3 square. Apply the square root now. Square root of x square, square root of 5 square, 3 square, 3 square. X square का square root of x square, x will come out. Here 5 will come out, 3 will come out, 3 will come out. 5 3 is a 15, 3 is a 45 is our answer. That's it. कुछ और बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, because already we have said so many. Okay, nothing. Only x is our answer. That's it. Finish. Finish. All right. This is the method. I hope you're understanding. Let us move on to the next question. Next question says, I'm very easy. Please solve me. I'm very easy. Very easy. Question number 9. Read the question number 9. किताब खोलो प्यारे बच्चों. Question number 9 को अच्छे से पढ़ो, विचार से पढ़ो, सोच के पढ़ो, विवेक से पढ़ो, बुद्धि से पढ़ो, चेतना से पढ़ो. Find the smallest square number. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9, 10. I repeat, find the smallest square number. वो नंबर स्क्वायर होना चाहिए. Smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9, 10. Okay. 4, 9 and 10. Four and 9 and 10. We have to find a smallest perfect square number that is divisible by this. Our path is iska LCM is divisible by all these, correct? LCM of these three numbers is divisible by the three numbers, correct? Okay, we will find the LCM. LCM पता करेंगे. After finding the LCM, that LCM will make the prime factorization. उस LCM का prime factorization करेंगे. In that prime factorization, we will observe the prime factors. We'll come to know what we should multiply with. That's it. That's it. उस LCM का एक multiple रहेगा. That required number is a multiple of that LCM or LCM itself. Is LCM itself or the multiple of the LCM. All right. Let us start. The finding LCM. 4, 9, 10 will divide by 2. Smallest possible divisor. All right. 2 2s are 9, we cannot. 2 5s are 10. 2, is it correct? 2, 9, yes, correct. 2 1s are 2, 9, 5. 5 1s are 5. 3 3s are 3 1s are, okay. Our LCM is 2 2s are 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 into 3, 60, 63 is a 180, 180 is our LCM. Okay. Now we'll do the prime factorization of LCM. Prime factorization of LCM. We'll do the prime factorization of LCM is 180 is our LCM. Start the prime factorization by 2, by 5 why not? 0 है ना, 5 से कर लेंगे, छोटा हो जाएगा जल्दी से. We'll come to know very easily. 5 3s are 15, 18 minus 15, 3 will get 5 6 are 30. Now by 6 by 3 by what? By 2. 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. ठीक है. So we have found the prime factors of LCM. 180. So 180 is equal to 5 into 2 square 3 square है ना. 5 is the single, 5 is अकेला है, 5 is the अकेला. 2 square into 3 square. So this number is divisible by, this is the LCM of this and this है ना. This is divisible by these three, but it is not a perfect square. Make it very simple. 180 is divisible by all these three because it is the LCM of these three numbers. 180 is the LCM of this. It is divisible by these three, but it is not a perfect square. We can see in the prime factorization. उसको perfect square बनाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? 5 से multiply करना पड़ेगा. तो multiply कर दो और आंसर निकाल लो. Yes. आहा, मजा आ गया, बहुत मजा आ गया. But justice, LHS as well as RHS. 5 into 5 into 2 square into 3 square. Multiply कर दिया ना 5 से. Got it. Is equal to 5 square आ जाएगा, 2 square आएगा, 3 square आएगा. Okay. Here 180 क्या होगा? 180 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो what it will become? It will become 5 zeros are 0, 5 8s are 40, 4 carried, 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. It will become 900. Okay. 180 is divisible by these three, but not a perfect square. 180 को एक छोटे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वो परफेक्ट 5. If you multiply by 5, we will get 900. 900 is the number which is a perfect square and divisible by this and the smallest. That's it. This is the answer. What was the question? Let me confirm. Find the smallest number, square number. Okay, ये हमारा आंसर. The answer is 900. Required number is equal to 900. That's it. समझ में आ रहा है बच्चों? समझ में आ रहा है बच्चों? मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, क्या आपको समझ में आ रहा है? क्या समझ में आ रहा है? क्या समझ में आ रहा है? सर दिमाग की दही कर दे रहा. दिमाग की दही. समझिए बच्चों, समझिए. नंबर्स, उसका एलसीएम इतना है, एलसीएम उससे डिवाइड होगा ही होगा. दैट इज द रूल. एलसीएम तो डिवाइड होगा ही होगा. 180 तो हो गया होगा. 180 का एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है क्या? 180 को परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बना दो, किसी से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. किससे करना पड़ेगा? उसको पता करने के लिए विल डू द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. उसमें 5 इज द अकेला. दैट अकेला वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. दैट अनपेयर नंबर, मेक इट ए पेयर. उससे 5 से मल्टीप्लाई. एलएचएस आल्सो, आरएचएस आल्सो, इट विल बिकम परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. किसका स्क्वायर होगा? 30 का स्क्वायर होगा, है ना? सबको पता है ना? पर पूछा नहीं तो नहीं बोले हम लोग. नहीं पूछा ना, क्यों बोलेंगे? मुफ्त में किसी का काम थोड़ी करेंगे. करना पड़ेगा, कभी कभी करना पड़ेगा. लास्ट वन. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following, each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. 8, 15 and 20. Last one. 8, 15 and 20. उसका एलसीएम कर लो. 8, 15 and 20. 2 से स्टार्ट कर लो. 2 4 जा 15 वे के नॉट. 2 10 जा 2 2 जा 15 वे के नॉट. 2 5 जा 2 1 जा 15 वे के नॉट. 5 वे के नॉट. Now 5 3 जा 5 1 जा 3 1 जा finish. LCM is equal to 2 2 जा 4 4 2 जा 8 8 5 जा 40 43 जा 120. 120 is our LCM. LCM is 120. Let us find the 120. Is it a prime? 120 is not a perfect square. Therefore, we will do the prime factorization. 120 का prime factorization will start 60, 30, 15, 3 5 जा 5 1 जा. So prime factorization of 120 has given us 2 square into 2 into 3 into 5. 120 is divisible by these 3. But 120 is not a perfect square. 120 is the LCM of this. It is divisible by these 3. 120 is not a perfect square. 120 को एक छोटे से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा to get a perfect square. that छोटा सा नंबर is, इसको भी स्क्वायर बना लो, इसको भी स्क्वायर बनाओ, इसको भी स्क्वायर बनाओ, है ना? सबको खुश करो, वही आंसर मिलेगा. सबको खुश करो, सबको खुश करो. जिसको जो जो चाहिए उसको दे दो. हाँ, पेरेंट्स को अच्छा सा रिजल्ट चाहिए, उनको दे दो. टीचर्स को भी चाहिए, वो दे दो. और तुमको एक अच्छा बच्चा बनकर रहना है, सबको बन के दिखा दो, सबका काम कर दो, अच्छे से बच्चे बन जाओ. ठीक है ना? ऐसे ही सबको जो जो चाहिए दे दो. उसको चाहिए दे दो, उसको चाहिए दे दो, दे दो दे दो दे दो. इसको 2 चाहिए, एलएचएस में भी आरएचएस में भी. इसको 2 चाहिए, उसको 2 दे दो. इसको 3 चाहिए, इसको 3 दे दो, यहां भी दे दो. बैलेंस बैलेंस. इसको 5 चाहिए, 5 है, एक और 5 चाहिए, यहां भी एक 5 दे दो. ठीक है ना? तो हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं? 120. वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 2 3 जा 6 6 5 जा 30. वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 30. 30 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं हम लोग. ऑलराइट, इन ओवरऑल इन टोटल 2 स्क्वायर 2 स्क्वायर 3 स्क्वायर 5 स्क्वायर. ठीक है? ओके. 0 and 0, 2 zeros as it is. 12 3 जा 36. We'll get square of this and this. Okay. 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 6, 6 5 जा 30. 30 का स्क्वायर. राइट? वन ऑफ द मेथड यू कैन लर्न दिस. ऐसे कर लो. सो 36 इज द नंबर, है ना? क्या पता करना है? व्हेन वी गेट द आंसर, गो बैक टू द क्वेश्चन एंड रीड वंस अगेन सो दैट वी विल गिव एग्जैक्ट आंसर. वी विल हाईलाइट द एग्जैक्ट आंसर. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following numbers. Yes, it is 300. Required number is 300. All right, 3600, sorry, 3600. LCM of this is 120. Prime factors of 120 are this and this. 120 का prime factors this and this, but 120 is the not perfect square. We have to find the perfect square. To make it a perfect square, जो चाहिए दे दो. We need 2, we need 3, we need 5. 2, 3 and 5. Multiply this also. Whatever number you get, that's our answer, and it is divisible by. So this completes exercise 5.3. 5.4 will start in the next class. Okay, तब तक के लिए होशियार खबरदार अच्छे से पढ़ो. Do well, really well. All right. Thank you very much.